Do you want predictable cash flow? Let's build a recurring revenue system inside Salesforce that keeps your business growing month after month. First, create a subscription-based product in Salesforce with recurring price models. Add them to your price book so reps can easily generate repeat deals. Use Salesforce Flow or Revenue Cloud to automate billing cycles, renewal reminders, and payment collection. This removes manual work and reduces churn. Set up recurring opportunity records linked to contracts. Salesforce will automatically forecast monthly or annual revenue so you can see predictable growth. Give clients access to a self-service portal to update payment details, upgrade plans, or renew contracts, making retention effortless. And lastly, use Einstein Analytics to predict renewal risks and upsell opportunities. This helps your team focus on keeping customers and expanding accounts. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and leave us your thoughts in the comments.